Good morning, birders. Out here on another bird survey, this time up a little bit north of Fredericksburg, fairly near Enchanted Rock. You can actually see that dome over the hill in the distance is Enchanted Rock. But there's interesting birds out here. I wasn't originally planning on recording a video today, but I'm hearing a lot of interesting stuff, and previously the birds have been fairly cooperative on this property. So we'll see what we can see, maybe get a couple videos. I'm hearing lots of painted buntings, Bell's vireos, Buick's wrens, and canyon wrens. If we're lucky, we might run into a black-capped vireo out here. I've had them here in the past. But overall, we'll just see what we can see and enjoy another day out in the field. Let's go see what we can find. There's the canyon wren. Got this characteristic little bouncy movement. Very light breast, contrast with a dark brown belly, spotted brown back. Right up here we've got an eastern Phoebe on a nest. Looks like it might have been an old barn swallow nest that the Phoebe has built on top of. Here's the black-throated sparrow singing away up there. Got that nice black throat, big white eyebrow, and kind of a grayish brown back with a light belly. I love their liquidy song. Not sure if you can hear that down there. That blurry, warbly, multi-note song is a black-capped vireo. It's probably skulking around down there in the bushes, but we'll go over there and see if we can get a look at him. And a turkey vulture. What? And there's a red-winged blackbird. Of all things, out in the middle of scrubby areas. They're usually by water. Now there's a little creek down there that we'll go to in a minute. It's probably where that guy's going. But first, see if we can find this vireo. Well, now here's something you don't see every day. It's a black-capped vireo sitting up in the top of a tree and singing. Heard this little guy down here, and I was hoping I might actually get to see him, because they're usually really skulky little things. I came over here, and there he is, just sitting up in the top of a tree. He thinks he's a golden-cheeked warbler or something, being so cooperative. They're usually much harder to find than that. And off he goes. Maybe he remembers finally a vireo. Got a blue Grosbeak singing up there. And Crested Caracaras flying by too. I just absolutely love the terrain out here. Rocky, scrubby, Bell's vireos singing in the background, white-eyed vireos singing, canyon wren ringing down the valley. Just a really nice, relaxing area. Right up here, we've got a hummingbird nest. almost impossible to see if you don't see the bird fly in. Yeah, got another Black-capped Vireo singing up here. Been hopping around right in those bushes. There it is. There go the pigs. 20 of them probably just ran across the road. Well, I'd say that does it for the day. Got some really good birds. Black-capped Vireo is a personal favorite. Probably the best look I've ever gotten at one. Always love a painted bunting and just being outside on a great day. So, I'll see you next time, birders.